Hello, I hope you guys are having a good day. I'm excited to do a seafood Alfredo. I have some shrimp, but I might add some clams or something, which goes with some of the things I always talk about, which is it's kind of fun to change things up, see how it comes out. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. So don't be nervous about taking something and changing it up a little bit. So the basics of doing an Alfredo is a little bit of garlic. I've got some shallots, butter, cream, a little white wine, the shrimp I'm going to use, and of course the cheese. Now I'm going to talk about the cheeses a bit. This is the best of the best. We've got some Reggiano Parmesan, so I like to use that. And then I bought this really inexpensive and not so great Romano cheese. You know, I get to be a bit of a cheese snob, and typically I'd want to use like a Locatelli or something like that. But the funny thing is, I picked this up one time, and it tastes almost like a sharp provolone, which my wife and I really like the cheese, so I grabbed it again. But the other thing is, be real careful where you buy it and to pay attention to what's going on. You want to make sure that they're not slipping something else in when you think you're getting something else. You don't want to be paying for Locatelli and getting some inexpensive pecorino that you're unaware of. I wouldn't buy it already grated. To be fair, I went to one of the big supermarket chains. It's pretty well known for having really good quality products. And when they told me it comes in big 5-pound bags after being in the restaurant business, I know exactly what that is, and it's not good quality ingredients. So I'm much more comfortable buying the pieces of cheese, grating them myself, knowing what I'm getting, knowing the flavors because I've tasted them before. So when you're making something, buy it, take a bite, see if you like it, and use it. It doesn't have to be the exact one. So give me a minute, we'll get things organized. The other thing I'm going to do today is we've got these beautiful shrimp. I'm going to bring it in closer when I devein them and show you what we can do. They have a tool they'll sell, but if you use a fork, it's really easy I'll show you exactly how it works. So stick around, and I hope you enjoy the video.
My husband made the seafood Alfredo today. I'm excited to try it. It smells so good in my house right now. It smells garlicky, buttery. So let's do this. I'm gonna try the shrimp first. It's really good. It's not like overcooked. And get a piece of pasta. It's really good. It's my favorite pasta actually. I still have a few of them, but this is like one of them. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.
Hello, I'm gonna try the pasta my dad made, although I'm not gonna eat the shrimp since I'm not a big fan of shrimp. The sauce is really good.